Hi, I'm Dexter. Welcome to Kids in Action, where we meet Christian kids doing God's work now. What's your favorite fun winter activity? A snowball fight? Skating? Maybe making snow angels? On today's show, meet Alaina, Ellery, and Isaac and their parents. A family who went out in the snow and made something that got their whole town talking. It's Kids in Action, putting on an extra layer for warmth and building a very cool snow fort.
Ago, we were off from school a bunch of days, and we just needed to get outside, so we made an igloo that year. The next year, we built a second igloo, but it had steps and you could sled off it.
We were hooked, and now we try to make them bigger and better every year.
This year we made a snow lighthouse, and it was a lot of work and a lot of fun.
Hi everyone, thanks for talking with me today.
Hi Dexter. Hi Dexter.
That snow lighthouse is just awesome. What do you like about it?
I like the deck because it's high off the ground.
I like it that it's not just a snow fort, it helps other people too.
My favorite part was also the deck because it was pretty fun to walk on and you could see a lot of things.
How did you make it?
You know how you need the best snow for a snowball, right? Well, it was too cold for snow to pack. So we piled snow into containers and used our heated garage to make the snow into the best packing snow.
Ellery's job is to thin the snow out here so that it melts with the heater.
Then we'd pack the snow into blocks that we'd either use right away or let freeze overnight.
We spent a lot of time then packing snow in between the blocks as we built the fort. And then we'd spray the fort with water a lot so that it would freeze solid. That's why we could walk on it at the end.
So why a lighthouse?
Well, we try to do something different every year. We had never built something with steps on the inside or a deck on it. So a lighthouse was something that would be a little harder to build than the last year's fort.
It's also a good reminder to us and the people who live around us that Jesus is like our lighthouse. He's always there guiding us to safety, just like a lighthouse guides ships safely to the shore.
Are people stopping by and taking pictures? What's the reaction in your neighborhood?
Yeah, people stop and take pictures, and they also give us a thumbs up. We even had someone drive 45 minutes to our house to come see our fort.
There is the top right up there.
Okay.
Yeah, this year we've got quite a bit of attention. We've had TV stations and radio stations interview us, posts on Facebook, and we even had the Lighthouse Society's Facebook page have a picture of our fort on it.
That's a lot of attention.
We also took the opportunity to ask people to take it a step farther, and if they enjoyed our lighthouse, if they would donate to livingwaterwells.org, which is an organization who builds wells in different countries for people who need clean water. So you can still donate today.
Yeah, we raised $3,000 for clean water while we were creating something out of frozen water.
And it's just fun to see that our snow fort is completed and that it could be more than just a cool fort.
A Bible verse that guides the family is Ephesians 2 verse 10. God planned for us to do good things and to live as He has always wanted us to live. That's why He sent Christ to make us what we are.
When we started doing this, it was just for fun.
Every year we make it bigger and better, and this year it was really cool to see how God used it to bless our community and the people who need clean water. It's like God had a plan for us to do this, and we have just been practicing for this year's fort.
Got any plans for next year?
For sure. We just need a little bit more time to think about what that might be.
Thanks for showing us your lighthouse. I cannot wait to go outside and build something on my own.
Thanks, Dexter. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for joining us, and we hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit us at kidscorner.net. Serve the Lord in all you do, and we'll see you soon. All the ideas for this show come from viewers like you. So if you know great Christian kids making an impact, please send us a message at kidscorner.net or on our Facebook page. We promise that we'll read all the comments.